Hey, it's Jen with another Tech Tips 411 video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add live captions to your Zoom meetings. This is a great feature to use to support your diverse learners and participants in your meetings. So let me show you how you could do it. Very easy. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into your main Zoom dashboard, and I've gone to my settings and I'm going to go over here where it says in meeting advanced. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit and you'll see there is closed captioning. I'm going to want to turn that feature on. So I'm going to click that on and I'm going to choose to enable it. Once I've done that, that means it's updated that for any meetings that I host. Next up, I'm going to start a meeting. So now that I've started my Zoom meeting, notice I'm muted. I'm going to turn on my microphone. I'm going to click on live transcript. You'll see that option now that you've turned on captioning. So I'm going to click on live transcript and I've got a couple of options here. Assign a participant to type. I will type, copy the API token, or enable auto transcription. I've shared before how you can use Web Captioner. It's a pretty cool tool. You've got a lot of customizations for it, but there's a great feature now available with live transcription. So I'm going to click enable auto transcription. Now I've done that, you'll see I now have built-in captions inside of Zoom. Super easy to turn on. So you just need to turn on the settings inside of your Zoom dashboard and then click on live transcription and turn on, as we saw, that option. Now I can hide it. I can view the full transcript. I can go to the subtitle settings. So if I go to the settings, I can choose what it's going to look like. I can actually make my closed captioning a little bit larger so that it fills the screen a little bit more. Additionally, I can go here and I can choose to see the full transcript. It's capturing everything that I'm saying over here. So this is a great option for people that are wanting to pay attention or they want to grab it after a meeting. I can even pop out this window so I can have this over here. Maybe it's easier for me to see it on the white background versus the black background. That's how easy it is for you to turn on transcription, live captions inside of Zoom. I hope you found this tip beneficial, and if you did so, please give it a like, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.